Today I've got an Insignia that I'm going to change this turbo because of the amount of play. I don't know if you can see that. Well, not with my finger in the way. I'll try and get some pliers and show you that. There's far too much play in there. So I'm going to take it off, put a second hand one on that's not got as much play in it. Start by taking this heat shield off, have a look at it and see what's involved. That's what it looks like with the heat shield off. So I'm going to take this clamp off here. This is a 16mm deep socket, and that's way up there. I'll take that one off. I got a couple of bolts here. It looks quite easy, the oil bolts. So we'll get into those and see if I find any surprises once I take them off. Not backed off, but it still won't come off, so I'm going to hit this with a hammer and see if it shocks it. I'll work on that a bit and see if I can get that loose. I got two E12s here, one there, on the intake. This is the turbo, would come from the air filter that way and out that way. E12s, I couldn't quite get onto them, but a deep 10mm socket did the same job. I've gone ahead and carried on without filming it, but I've got the two E12s that I got with a 10mm deep 1/4" drive socket. These are 11mm sockets here. I got two of them with a ratchet, a spanner I mean, and the top one with a ratchet. Really lucky it came out because they were tight. And that's about all you miss, plus the vacuum pipe for the turbo actuator with the wire, which is this one. This wire there for the position sensor of the turbo actuator. So I'll try and show you the play in the turbo so you can see it better. Don't know if you can see that. I'm not really getting to show it well. I'll try the other side. Right. Might be better with my pliers. One sec. See anything there. Hold on a sec. I put my hand in there, you can't see it. Gosh, I can't grip it. These pliers are a bit seized up. You see that there? The amount of play. Try again. Shouldn't be that much play. The new one doesn't have any play. Second hand new one. I'm happy there's no leaks, and I'm happy that the wastegate is doing what it should do. I wanted to show you this bit with the drive in it, because when you rev it up it can look like you've got a faulty turbo on these Insignias. I've had that before. It's below atmospheric pressure, and then when you start driving it, it goes up, and it does work okay. I'll try and get onto a road where I can drive for a bit and show you that it is boosting. But you see how low it is? It's just how these Insignias do it. I'll get going and show you the graph in a bit. It's certainly got boost, it's driving fine. That was just all I wanted to show you. I'll keep it brief. It's got boost, but you only see it when you're driving. You can't just rev it up and go for a nice little cruise. It doesn't seem to work that way. Yeah, I mean, you can't just rev it up when you're stationary. You've got to go for a cruise. That's the only way it works. But yeah, I'm just trying to hold the phone, so I can only do it on this straight bit of road. But yeah, it is boosting, it drives okay. That was a success. Everything worked like it was supposed to do. The boost. Something I found though, that it doesn't seem to boost when you stop still, so I thought I would mention that. Almost makes you think you've got a faulty boost pressure sensor. It's just the way it is on the scan data on that car. They all do it. Anyway, thanks for watching.